Searching in Vim is actually quite easy. From the interactive mode, all you have to do is type a /character followed by the string you're looking for and press enter. If the pattern exists, Vim will then automatically place the cursor on the first occurrence or alert you with an error message instead. If there's more than one occurrence, you can then press lowercase n to move to the next one or uppercase N to move to the previous one. Now, to search and also replace at the same time, we can use the as command that has the following syntax. When used as is, Vim will only replace the first occurrence of your search. If instead you want to replace all of the occurrences of the current line, which is the line your cursor is on, simply add /g at the end of your search pattern like so. And last but not least, if you want to replace all of the occurrences of your search pattern in the whole document at once, you can use the following syntax instead. Finally, if you ever needed to quickly replace a single character without leaving the interactive mode, just place your cursor on the character you want to replace and hit the R key followed by the replacing character like so.